Imagine making money in your sleep, but what if you're missing out on the biggest cash cow on the internet? Today, we're revealing why affiliate marketing might just blow every other online income stream out of the water. Affiliate marketing shines as a beacon of opportunity for those who crave financial independence without the hurdles of traditional business models. Imagine stepping into an ecosystem where your primary task is to connect eager buyers with the products they already desire. This isn't just about selling, it's about being the vital link in a value chain that rewards you for understanding customer needs and guiding them to solutions. At its core, affiliate marketing is beautifully straightforward. You choose products you trust and enjoy, promote them through your chosen platforms, and earn commissions for each sale made through your referral. The magic here? You're not bogged down by creating these products or tangled in the logistical nightmare of managing inventory. Your focus is purely on sharing and connecting. Consider this: while traditional businesses scramble to cover the high costs of production, storage, and distribution, your primary investment in affiliate marketing is your passion and your ability to communicate that passion to others. Whether it's through a blog, social media, or even a YouTube channel like this one, your platform becomes your stage and the internet your audience. Now, before we explore how to turn your digital platform into a revenue-generating machine, ask yourself, have you spotted an affiliate opportunity that aligns with your interests? Affiliate marketing isn't just a pathway to financial freedom, it's your ticket to building a passive income empire. Think of it as planting a garden. Initially, you put in the effort to sow those seeds, in this case, your affiliate links. You meticulously choose the right spot, ensuring it gets just enough sunlight and water. The beauty: once those seeds are in the ground, nature takes over. Similarly, after placing your affiliate links through thoughtfully crafted content or strategic social media posts, the internet does the heavy lifting. Imagine waking up each morning to find that while you were dreaming, your garden blossomed. Transactions happened worldwide thanks to those tiny seeds you planted your affiliate links. The reality of earning money while you sleep isn't a myth. It's a result of well-placed affiliate strategies tapping into the global marketplace, which operates 247. This isn't about quick wins, it's about creating a sustainable income that grows. But here's where it gets interesting. The initial setup of your affiliate garden, choosing the right products, understanding your audience's needs, and embedding those affiliate links requires insight, patience, and a bit of creativity. It's about knowing which tools to use, how to nurture your garden, and when to harvest. Now you might be wondering, how do I start? What are the first steps to creating content that attracts clicks and converts? That's exactly where we're headed next. But before we peel back that layer, ask yourself, are you ready to invest that initial effort to enjoy the fruits of passive income? How will you plant your first seed in the vast digital landscape? Dropshipping, a term that's buzzing with potential and promises of entrepreneurship without the inventory. But what lies beyond the glossy exterior? Today, we unravel the truth about the higher startup costs and complexity that come with managing suppliers, orders, and customer service. Imagine this: you've got your online store set up, sleek and inviting. Yet the backbone of dropshipping isn't just the storefront. It's the intricate dance of coordination with suppliers. Securing a reliable supplier is like finding a needle in a haystack. You want quality products, punctual deliveries, and most importantly, consistency. The catch? All of this requires negotiation skills, a keen eye for details, and not to mention a chunk of your budget. Now think about orders piling up. Each order is a promise to your customer, a testament to your brand's reliability. This is where the real challenge kicks in. Managing orders means juggling between your customers' expectations and your suppliers' timelines. It's a tightrope walk of ensuring every product reaches its new home on time and in pristine condition. And we can't forget about customer service. In the world of dropshipping, your customers are placing their trust in you. Each inquiry, complaint, or feedback is an opportunity to build that trust. But without direct control over inventory or shipping times, providing top-notch customer service becomes a complex puzzle. You might be wondering, with all these challenges, is dropshipping worth it? How do entrepreneurs navigate these hurdles to create successful online stores? We'll explore these questions next, but first tell me, what's been your biggest challenge in starting an e-commerce business? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Dropshipping can seem like a golden road to e-commerce success on the surface. You set up a shop, list products, and when a sale comes in, your supplier ships directly to your customer. Sounds simple, right? But as we peel back the layers, we uncover the knot of managing suppliers, orders, and ensuring customer satisfaction, a daunting task for many budding entrepreneurs. Now imagine flipping the script with affiliate marketing. This strategy simplifies your path to online business by cutting out the inventory and direct selling. Instead of wrestling with suppliers and shipping logistics, you promote products you believe in and earn commissions on the sales made through your marketing efforts. It's like being the bridge that connects your audience to products or services they need without the headaches of traditional e-commerce models. Affiliate marketing offers an appealing alternative for digital entrepreneurs. You focus on what you do best, creating engaging content and building an audience while letting the companies handle inventory, shipping, and customer service. It's a win-win. You can start with minimal overhead and scale your business as your audience grows. But this brings us to an intriguing question. With the operational complexities of dropshipping and the streamlined model of affiliate marketing, why do entrepreneurs still gravitate towards dropshipping? Could the allure of higher profit margins overshadow the operational headaches, or is there more to the story that we're missing? What do you think is the appeal of dropshipping despite the evident challenges, and have you considered affiliate marketing as a more viable path to e-commerce success? In the realm of digital entrepreneurship, the temptation to chase after the latest and greatest business model is all too real. Yet there's an age-old principle that still governs much of our work today, the trade of time for money, especially within the bustling world of freelancing. Imagine every hour of your work translating directly into a specific sum of money. Sounds pretty straightforward, right? The allure is undeniable. You work more, you earn more. But is this linear equation truly as beneficial as it seems? At first glance, freelancing presents a golden opportunity. You pick projects that resonate with your passions, work from anywhere in the world, and perhaps most enticingly, you become your own boss. The freedom to choose when, where, and how much you work is the dream for many. Yet, lurking beneath this shiny surface is a reality often glossed over. Your income is inexorably tied to the hours you commit. This means that taking time off for travel, family, or even rest could directly impact your earnings. Now, consider the contrast with a passive income model, where efforts you put in today could continue to generate income months or even years down the line. The difference is stark. Passive income has the magic of decoupling effort from earnings over time, something freelancing struggles to offer. The question we then need to ask ourselves is this: how can freelancers transcend this apparent limit? Could the integration of passive income strategies into a freelancing business be the key to unlocking greater financial freedom and flexibility? Have you, as a freelancer, found yourself pondering the trade-off between time and money, and what strategies have you considered or implemented to tip the balance in your favor? Imagine the possibility of earning money while you're asleep, or better yet, while you're on a dream vacation. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But with the right approach, this could be your reality, transcending the conventional hour for dollar trade-off that defines freelancing. It's called affiliate marketing, a term you might have heard but not explored deeply. Affiliate marketing can be your secret weapon, allowing you to earn commissions by recommending products or services you believe in. It's like telling your friend about your favorite coffee shop and getting a thank you note in the form of cash every time they buy a cup. Affiliate marketing indeed offers the potential for passive income, making it a scalable and less time-restrictive endeavor compared to traditional freelancing. By creating content that includes your affiliate links once, you have the possibility to earn recurring income as viewers click through and make purchases. This model enables freelancers to diversify their income streams and achieve financial growth without directly trading hours for dollars. The key lies in choosing the right products or services that align with your audience's interests and needs, thereby maximizing the chances of conversion and, consequently, your earnings.